rwasinyire kingoro cyana kigosengo bugaye kingoro cyana kigosengo bugaye
Let's say, for example, una Nyamira county. We come from Nyamira, we come from Nyamira. We have relatives there. We talk with the people there who are not even relatives. Nyamira is not moving. There is nothing going on there.
Mheshimiwa, Nyamira tukirite?
Umayete, if you have been a member of parliament for 3 terms, you go be elected 3 terms because na might thinking on.
Hapana.
I'm being elected 3 times because you have to my leadership.
Ego.
So the first thing Nyamira want to talk about is to get somebody of what leadership.
That's true.
Agora muaganya amuzi leadership ya ndo nyakanya Rwanda apart from having been a deputy governor ya Nyagarama.
Ndumu maidi.
Ndumu manyatingi akorde on his own.
Na hevano.
Madanya ogore ne on his own. That's the truth.
That is true.
Danya ogoro he has been somewhere in a position here sakuridia abantu. Egera tumanyana ki leadership ya yere. He was chance to have been running deputy governor ya
Nyagarama agasira
ngoro montare governor na rokurani county oya just deputy no mondo gutumire mundu ya mukono agatumo tumunyagarama kwa batimba ya akakwekera in the office and the law says secretary governor ku the deputy tax over it took over
even ogambe miaka almost 107 ushukora
bono akamismanage akagendera na leadership we mismanage the county that time lakini akabe elected na mu elect bono bono
torango
tore kweregia
kiara kole
ma uriyote nyagitari
paranchiyo
kende ngejo go kororo and you know the best thing you can do to a community in Nyamira if I was going to be the governor of Nyamira one of the things I would do I would make sure that we have clean water in every village
no me tenga mache no shidera ki bantu mbarochi
amache
ne shit
bantu mbataka live about even no nejiba because we are para na ero no to go and say
we go and say no
lakini
to get liko
to get liko
to korara
you know that is it somebody who is going to fix
kabisa
amagana ya mache Nyamira need somebody to fix amagana health care you know if I become the governor of Nyamira, I will make sure that in every sub-county we will have a good hospital.
A good hospital.
So that you can monta for example, I come from Borabu, Mongoli. I can monta Borabu, Mongoli. It doesn't need to go to Nyamira or Kisi or Denwek. You can imagine na abantu abango chikobolinga yore na gakutumire transport nyagetaru ara robo tukotua jana otorte no ekibosigiza
abantu ngo kubala singe je transport yo
nganyora agresi mina tuaru Nyamira gaiga project is level 5 hospital no tole why are you doing that and you have a governor you have money for healthcare let's go have somebody who can go and fix and you know when can go to benjeleka bireyo adaba ndore wa support nyalibo obagora ngari na amana mining imam not because
it's not performing.
Just telling them there is something wrong. Let them tell him to fix healthcare. Point number 1. Point number 2. Tigabaga na bayi urama kori. So that they go monta kuruara.
Epigi como
iko se gari ko ndaya ikanonya nisiko.
Angisiko.
Bona kanyora na if you start calculating the amount of money jire Nyamira and what is physically being seen there, nothing. And you know when you are saying like that, that's what they're saying, you know. If you have somebody who has been in a leadership position like Benny Momani, let's for example, let's say Benny Momani.
Yes.
He has been a member of parliament twice.
Barabari.
He has been a commissioner, a parliamentary service commissioner for 1 term.
Yes.
If this person is given an opportunity with the type of money you go and he can be able to do that. Then he's one person who can go to okay, we don't live there, but our relatives live there, the friends. Let's come together as you have Nyamira so that we can fix
issues. Chiro.
Then you are first term.
Amache.
You are second term.
Nyagitari di chiparo ucha.
Nyagitari yero ko jaga you are first term is very important. You imagine dangan jaga Nyagitari equip hospitals with the medicine.
Kabisa.
Equip hospitals with the personnel.
Kabisa.
In every sub county genda bwaga chenyumba yo munyagitari ku resident doctor. Mate bantu kusimba mate natu bwata ndo kuna resident doctors. Resident doctors but yoko nyoro amenyete ese Nyagitari yeriere. So that if we have for example, we have in every sub-county, the CT scan, the water abantu bakosoma ebintu CT scan, the water munyageta yoro consultant, ango monta akuruara abantu muri muntu neguni mu igari mu de no igire umunyageta yoro ku nyumba mu watu ndiro job imoro mu amali yo
urashugulika.
Yes, we cannot have abantu bakudura na bono, you know, we get patients being taken to Eldoret. How many of them go to Eldoret? What na jiteka go to Eldoret? Ingitogurura no Nyamira to genda Kisii, because Kisii is a county, Nyamira is another county. Then one magonyora, you know, me I was shocked. Pento nya soketi mono na grana nyo teno mo gaba no Nyamira oguru kwa Nyaribo. No wo iri chimboli. Ojire utanki gaba na ya Kisii. I don't know for what reason India go there. You know, I would never see. How can a governor make a cat score to another governor and you come to India ruji mutangi akorete.
Yeah, correct.
So those are some of the small things we are saying. And these small things would be fixed by Nyamira by them voting the right person. The problem with the guy is the cranism. One year monda na gina na grani ye to tanya grani ye gara mo ko be ko mo to terko koregas one year grani gina ba to ko bare sauri
bachande
the facility.
I think it's the type of leader mo chor.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I think you would have to support the Benny Momanyi.
He paid my school fees. That is personal.
You are personal. You can.
That is personal.
On your dog, what can it?
Angandra.
Say didn't whatever. Na beto kana rengoro. I didn't go to school. Then you would not went to school. Those are the type of leaders you want.
Well, no muntu no ito bate direct experience asoko kwanya abantu. Nende kana linga bo mpina kwa niro sana aseka sengi.
Nende toka ende. Ni udato kumanyana leadership wewe ko. I will get you time. Otura averi na Nakuru Town West. Umaye otura averi na Nakuru Town East. Oyendo otura averi Rongai, oyendo regurenda. Uingia abantu bakoteba about my leadership in Nakuru Town West na leadership ya abantu baroro. Then you can come up with
a proper document.
Let's elect leaders, not the clans. Because they had a problem ya very usigai. I could see ana bono na roja wanda ba kwa mrena wes mogrango to buata ba kichora to buata ba samaro to buata what the process ya wanda ba jwe kamo mwagrum to mwachukura ta rio rojo sali so
agosali 20 twachandika bono igo whatever of governor city Nyamira I told you
support. I'm not going there.
I want to support
because in Buate interest Nyamira interest ya Buate ne rina bantu abaidi bana embaro abasani bana embaro we must be able to direct them direct the right governor are the right governor bono nango the view mudura elected Benny Momanyi so bali ba beiro even a senator.
Okongo
Mogeni,
he has had experience of 2 years.
Experience. No, not even that one. Okongo Mogeni can also be a governor.
Yes.
Because why am I saying Okongo Mogeni can be a governor? Now that demonstrates this one. Okongo Mogeni has been the chairman of anti-corruption at one time.
Yes.
He has been the chairman of Royal Society of Kenya. He has served twice. Yes. He's a commissioner now. So that's the person we can also support. In the absence of Benny Momanyi, in the absence of Okongo Mogeni, they can go nowhere. So let them check in between Ben and Okongo Mogeni. Because look at the positions they are very, and the position to be fair to everyone. With due respect, I think if any of them becomes the governor of Nyamira,
we can be better.
It can be better.
Sindio?
So we are going to talk with the two of them. Between Okongo and Benny Momanyi, I will talk to them.
Okay.
Because both of them are my friends.
Yes.
But because you have held these senior positions, so let's have one of you.
Tuamwe.
Then we can say that then from that people, we will tell the people choose between the two of them.
You go? And a nomination, something like that.
Yeah, nomination. But let them go to nomination. Let's have Okongo Mogeni. I know him is a senior counsel. He has held those positions I've said. He has been elected twice. He's a commissioner now in the Parliamentary Service Commission.
Yes.
Just like Benny Momanyi is an advocate. So they have the similar.
They are similar in some way. You go on us we can see who can be able to. Now, just to ask your opinion, there are some other aspirants who on board. What's your opinion on that? Also, get another time we get only no musbadi okora.
Well, now I'm talking the state house too. Abaguzi genda matonyo tuko manya leadership yo muzi. You want to get the positions chirigire elective. As a GMG, abang number and Gabata and Dava MC and Nebel and Gava directed.
You go.
But no Jamiro about Guruzi and him. We are only ready, but in Gamat and Tower MP from Yamira, Nakis in Bargava directed. You go. We are only ready. Abang Nakurusia Jagged. Barangava directed in a members of parliament. Until that time. When we decided to create as Kenyans
women reposition,
and you know, I was telling somebody that even a man can fight for women rep because in Barata
and that boy,
Barata only to get women rep. It must be a woman. They said that we have a seat of women represented, but then again, it must be a woman.
Even a man because can fight for the seat.
Even a man can fight for. Again, what I'm telling you, getting again. Some people, got very drunk with some power or with money. I don't want to be in this game for so long. I've seen now I served the Andrew Kenyatta. I'm serving under William Ruto. I don't know what it means. You can represent your work. You might think that you are too big.
Nah, yeah.
I got one of the president.
Nah, you got to go there.
But you in a very different way. In 2017, when I became a member of parliament, I was the chairman of Kisi members of parliament in the National Assembly.
Okay.
I was talking with the Madiang every now and again. I was talking to Uhuru Kenyatta every now and again.
Yes.
If I could go to the PKC, you would go to me back. But DJ Totuara, again, I want because they talk to me. So we'll be able to different from the way I used to behave.
You are still the same person.
I wish everybody good luck as a trekker. But for Nyamira, imagine mbare ba kuburi bugabana lakini nimanyete oyo muguse babere batabe kinda tutebani
baro batabe
baro batabe yani eso ba kuburi bosipi nimanyete bari batabe lakini ngiye kontabi ni kamera ojengo likere ngori gena ngotena te furu 5 for
Gavana Street
oyo na roko bana number 1 2 ko na bona da Ben oro okongo they will be there abna bongo tebe ko da donda ba ma ko dikira ba ndo ko jase ngo ngende siri ngo ngota na kike jojo ta ga suigo
oigo ro
ada yo like that you go like that I'm telling you ni ma da banda bango mo dana ndo tena kina we ara mo natoka na kuru ujui maneno ya kisi I'm telling you no maneno ya kisi na Nyamira I know better than those people who tell me that they always. And in the first place, members of parliament, they are actually by the way in Bamanya. I won't ever see one of your change the scenario of electing leaders. Elect a leader, one, of what then you secondly, of what Murio Ameneto. I've won it 3 times. My wife has never moved from here. That makes me think that I come here every Friday because my family stays here. Joma da I'm always here on Thursday evening.
Oh, no, guess no go Yorora street.
No, they got
okay, Aramo, you got to book.
And then I'm just alone outside here. The Gadiana. I would walk with my other and I don't want to buy one Yarama, get with my Yoga, Munga, and Single I want to watch the Rompa or the so can get nobody touch me. I don't make any. I'm just like that.
We see it
in my constituents. You would like an answer. Be ever put comes there. Go and go and answer to a big anyone.
Elaini, Omokeno, and almost such a
Monto John Dynamo, you get all correct, you can go correct. People become happy. So on back at that. Tisi and Yamira, what you go direct readers who are answerable to them, whatever you can answer, and you can answer, so that you sort out people's problems. You know why? When they don't sort people's problems the way we other members of parliament so abantu ngo umuntu ujiro riyese yao.
This is true.
Wagana ga kinkonya ayenga yuru the constituency ke member bani na tar kubwata simi tori komorora that is not right tigato ndo tujone members of parliament babwata emechusi akonga ndo kurega sia ya Nairobi
oira na kora bantu bae
very Friday, you know, like I've not moved out of Nakuru from the time I did the wrong research. Actually I've been here. Like tomorrow, I wanted to go today, but tomorrow I will also invite you. To Corona. Kibara Mirati Nedo Goragari 22%, 10%.
Okay.
We interact with the residents.
That's fine.
One day we issues Babuate. A contractor no area, want to work at an over, want to go to Nova, the Gakumburi, Kushuni, Paraboros, not a one route in the world. Where there's a Gigaros, who satisfied. No problem, Garot, what I can be. And we will do it on Wednesday. Thursday na Friday. Because next week we go to the Bunga.
Oh, you go on a mammy about the trip to Magandraga saying.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Now, as we wind up, the presidential candidate, or you're Dr. King of Fred Machanko Gusi.
Kapisa.
Oh, no, Korakwa, go experience Kia, okay. Gusi Neramo.
Kapisa. Gusi, I can say, the Nakisi Neram. Aba Gusi, but we are going to 4 tasks.
4 tasks. Tell leaders.
Leaders bari tutariamo.
Ego.
Ano mundo kwa mwengo kugenda wagarujigura.
Leaders. You gusinga mere.
We are to 100%. By the way, yesterday should you were there. Kana ku pasa. Kana da madiangi ke kuwaro.
Abagusi bai mo
gatego. Ai. Waje karo mundo ria ko teva orio DCP aro da na ki na tuana ta mni ba mo gani baka mutevi ga andu ndori bi devi. To ganya tara ma to tevi na matiangi so. Ando this are da. Mo da ba ndore town ya bagusi. They determine what is happening in from where they come from.
Tigo.
Agaramente ga na Nakuru. If I go to Nyamira now, ngende ntebi abante direction ya city sindu wetenga ibago je they follow me.
That is it.
So and I am a reader in Nakuru. So a difference to what ya gusi readers but what their own differences.
Chiabu chok.
Faces.
Aba nanji baramo.
So it's up to those people to know and everyone have been to go the market is we are going to repeat what happened there Kenya Jad in the school at that time na Jamili group 40
people.
If you remember, members of parliament, the most people in Nyamira na Kisi, were the 40 people wakaira chukua. Babu ngedi barbarenga against Nyajae.
Isiko.
Jabo Obure, they were all voted out. Na ndira wantu wa the GBS. Actually Obure was making me laugh the other day and the Vinaki, I almost knew Arama, Chikura, Terry Chivesa, General Minister for Finance,
Agakusiko.
Ewe yanya jae, eya matiangi. Endito. No morindo. Na no morindo uri umanyete. Tiga manda banga nyukwa na ga igana. Bando ri bagona because baji bayo. Bagora baji bayo.
Ukende bacha baoga.
Baji bari bagora. But that does not make us start saying in again. And if you look at politics ya Kenya, one ya very tribe.
Yawe tribe.
In the sense that you go nyoro monto asaruete nera bantu ba support
kabisa
na matiangi that's need to be a president of Kenya abakusito mayo benefit this photo members of parliament governors senators MCA
esuti
asoyo ndago
liru magoro makasi
from da gara nyoro na bono like I was talking to Rigathi Gachagua last night. He called me and mheshimiwa asante nano ni tete hapo tutakuja na Nakuru kama ndio ya rules of bidhaa and he said now because sisi tuko pamoja na Matiang'i saa hii hiyo Nakuru town west we are not going to fill the candidate ya DCP
have to accord nomination
if they don't fill the candidate ya DCP I'm only Chupiri. I don't need to be there. I would be else we are campaigning for Matiang'i because if people can see what I'm going to be here, what I'm going to be here, what I'm going to be here. So I would be else we are campaigning for Matiang'i.
That is it.
Yeah. na wakisi kutoka hapa ndawaambia nyinyi ni uachilie ndikanga ende chikokora na matiangi chikura
no igatogorenda
igatogorenda ndega igarenda moja mujigo waka andesi yakarenda orobona ni moja mugure kwenda ibu ukikuyuzi bang aba ikore baka abo kiba kama abo gere baka baru yam I'm done. I would be doing my 40 time.
As simple as that. Yeah. As simple as that. Bono nore na kurwa ometena baikoyo. Vuno korra kwa ukore. Bali na matiangi
100%.
Bas.
They don't get it. Actually what I do, I'm even thinking that ongoja ko ekono na bora nyoto manye dibi so bia baikoyo pale ga kana ku county. I will give my transport na bantu bana. Bawo ndio jakere na guru town mwe tia saba iko baje ojega igais ogende party ogende moro ogende saba iko yo bale tigama kana yabasikisha iko yo
aba iko yo
then from there you do as a story
tumanya
exactly tumanya tumara ba tumana ki abana ba iko yo bonsi bi baje ngo garo madiang
inonga imole
aba kusia ba onyo debi na ki na madiang tabu atikura ingi monto dan tabu atikura onyo aba iko yo banje todos
na ba kwa mwa na ntupato mwaka maraga mwaka mbere nere mama tabrikene
is also trying na na protect ground aliama at Mombasa but bokwanda tango tabiga chikura yete tama ndo kwa na neke rutai
kabisa tali joro lio
yani ndiga ndo mina kinadrie ka baba yuko bibu ka kamu turuka ati bako na kiyo ko rekana
iko
mwade asanade tuanga na Ivasha dokagenda samwe kete to itatu dore na members of parliament ya banda bakora first time abandi bari wodo batamanyire kete to agiye ta sekete member bo bakumutiye ko to bakora abantu batana rama yuyu rama so abantu noraje baje ko korora egero go kombea maraga na matiangi to be very sincere
comparison te yali
ma onyo da are match
comparison te yali
no na ero ko bonde right ya hapo uri lakini as we talk today matiangi is akwa tu mbele sana kuliko maraga
iko tuliko ba compare
na no saba kusiyewa you can't compare the two of them
ikiruye kia ya diaspora kia na guru west na kio ka tubatu guru sigisi kongagerete kiruye ke ase biblia va gusiva konte pata ke tuko siria ni kiaga aya ndoroche in the current reign unega sign in case kora niko gende ni other upper seat succession kwa vangire because tutake tuke ka siri kiro keke kurwa
mado what happens actually succession to go vangira to go bangana nyakitena renta kete kona urate bo muntu utakitonya bantu pamutake
it is true
so oyo utakete jikura jana kuru town west si yakitokeza tena from there
abantu
toro ningo okogamba
mamoko bako
jikura na ile kwamba urongita not mean na iwo go ba scandalous do ta hivi negative vita hiyo so tatina na ora panda no just can't want to talk with the people tell them warama is here he has done well but I can do better than him by doing 1 2 3
1 2 3 ya sure
no dio nyagonjo kana nyote ya bantu lakini niko hapa utakuwa hapo au meni kwani I'm not the only person who compete with myself I compete with other people rengo ojokina rengo na bande bajire bono waja tutaona kuendelea mbele you might even be shocked Tadina, I also my sons who are grown ups now.
By the way,
to fight.
So,
amuja ni yabu my food steps. Yanyo konya bantu kona ngora igata na.
Asokire.
Muzana retire sasa nipenda fanya kazi kama
asokire. Asokire.
Atashinda kura hapo.
Mbaya sana. Kusi ndio kwa campaign.
Kusi.
Bantu mpaka ndio korora.
Mado what's happening here. Tindageti nzoe ko ganda gusi ekere ngwena to kuri bintu byana
it is true
abantu baga makuru na kyo muntu no nakuru njaje or patu nguru ko
will at some point
ekere jua jaja kire na ko rega si anda na ko ri bona abantu ningena ko batabi na ki mati yangu chuko konya gusi ekere la bere sana kya abantu bana kuru bawo dande ekere ngo ganda na gusi na nyamira tini ko na njabiye ngo bodu friends bana ba ikoyo abagere abaruja tuju batana ara moto gambi ya ga tuwajiro batabi abantu na kika mati yangana gambe
kabisa ego as an elder njome tena elder ndikurugusi na join tigusi council of elders ndetere from kwa times officially to come omonogeli o diaspora yako boko tuko mana gani
no ndagithie ngo ro muno na kio yo ndano ga yiga kagenda gaguciara
akana ujumu
ndagithie omono gari bwa maguci mono igatia tutwara maguci ojo muguru matia
diaspora gitu karansire ngesina gutu
ya sabora bono ga toje kugamba kunya turi kugamba umugambi toje tudebia banda mangana you know we are just waiting
singaki
tudebia banda mangana kujakera I think in November this year we shall be passing everyone telling abantu matiangi ko not only in DC but in the Republic of Kenya na matiangi mo de nda korte buya na ebintu biya korte bi korre kana biro tigi bidine biya leaders tigi bidine biya elected leaders ba kunya ko muhira ni kujinza is that you stand here today you know sometimes before I even knew you, I could have called you. Ask the Amazon again, Korea, seeing Yakanya and what I'm at the Gromon.
Drama.
I don't know what I could down with singing or living there. I don't remember what I am. Even when I'm wrong. No, in Jivia Kangoli and GP, and Chava Kalenjin. Govolia, Vandeng, or ya, Oyo, or Mutiki. Go to you, more mostly there. Lagini Musingo and Ato. Mandatory. Mushimo at Yanga can be Amunasana, as a Chingachago, out of your business schedule, where a Chao kama into gaiga ndetoka tenga we will support a cause in the yons asa bagamba kolega asi tutakuwa na nyinyi kabisa anytime uraga ni mukwa amateur service asante ndiamuna sana mheshimiwa asante thank you so much okay